another episode of Dose of Dex. Yo, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This is a fashion channel, and if you've already been around, welcome back. So glad you guys are still here kicking it with me. Now, before we get into anything, first thing I need you to do, a couple things. I need you to follow me on all my social media platforms. So if you have Instagram, follow me on Dose of Dex _. That's where I post a lot of the latest fashion I feel like you should know about, fashion that I like, future fashion, just anything fashion related. It's on there on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. And then if you don't have Instagram, I know you got TikTok. So I'm getting better at TikTok right now, but I am on TikTok at Dose of Dex _ as well on there. And on there, I just post the style, like a lot of styling things that I do, a lot of clients and things like that. So make sure you check me out on TikTok. Similar to Instagram, a little bit different from what I post. And then last but not least, if you don't have any of those, you do have YouTube. So what I need you to do is, wherever it's gonna pop up at, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I need you to smash the like button, hit the notification so you know when I upload new videos, and then most importantly, share with anyone who has a love for fashion. Now let's talk about today. Okay, everyone, so we're back again with another pickup vlog, and as you know, with pickup vlogs, Man, I was messing up there. As you know, I like to keep it short and simple for you guys when it comes to pickup vlogs. You know, there's so many amazing pieces out there, and I want to keep your attention, so I always try to pick one or two pieces that I feel like are appealing to me, I think you might like, or give you a little inspiration on what you can do to expand your closet. So yeah, that's what today is, a pickup vlog. Now, by the time this vlog drops, we should still be in winter or getting ready to transition into a warmer climate. I hope so for most of us, but I'm here in Ohio. It's still going to be a little cold. So what I wanted to do was show you guys. Let's try again. This vlog gonna be one of those ones. Lots of cuts, chops, do-overs, 3, 2, 1 breakdowns. But no, what I was saying is this is going to be.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What I'm trying to say is we are transitioning into a warmer climate, still going to be a little chilly. So I wanted to show you two pieces that I'm still going to be wearing as the weather changes. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, these two pieces don't have any correlation. They don't come from the same place. So it's not like I'm doing a haul or anything like that. Just wanted to show you these really cool pieces that I have. So the first piece I'm going to show you comes from the website Minimal. If you're not familiar with it, they have a lot of amazing pieces, or what I like to call starters to building your wardrobe. I love when I have clients, I love to start there. Sometimes when I have clients that come to me that say, hey, I'm just looking to start a good looking wardrobe, I'm starting to build certain pieces and build on top of that, Minimal is a great website. If you guys don't know about it, I'll definitely put a link below so you can check it out. But about these, I was about to tell you exactly what it was, but I wanted to show you first before I got into it. This piece I'm gonna show you is pretty amazing. I was looking for something that was different. I couldn't wear too many times, and I'm rambling.
Cole, you stupid.
This first piece I'm talking about is pretty amazing, but I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. These are the patchwork pants from Minimal. Right here. So taking a look at it first sight, as you can tell, it is a lot going on, which is what I wanted. So as far as my closet goes, I have a lot of just regular pants. You know, jeans, flare jeans, cargo pants, khakis, you know, just your typical stuff. So I really wanted a statement piece when it came to pants. I noticed I didn't have that in my closet. So this was the perfect pair for me to pick up. So just taking a look at the pants, first thing you'll notice is there is a lot of different materials on here. There's a little bit of floral material, there's paisley patterns, just a lot going on. And I really like that a lot because it gives me a lot of options with how I want to style it. Now, if you look beside me, you should see a picture with me with it on. And as you can tell, or you can't tell, but what I want to tell you is that it is a very heavy material. When it comes to summertime, I don't really recommend wearing this because I know it's 100% a fact that you will sweat. So wear this winter, spring, and fall, but not the summer. And then one thing I want to tell you guys about also is the sizing. So I'm a 32 in the waist, and this fit very well. I actually had a little bit of space to where I might need a belt for these. So definitely go true to size on these. It's a baggy fit. It's very long. It's gonna fit over your shoe. So don't try and go up too many sizes, because then you probably will send it back. And I'm not sure if it's still available on Minimal. I'll definitely check it out. If it is, I will put the link below, because I did get this on sale. But if it's available, I will put it below. I promise. I want to make sure you guys, if you like this, I want to make sure you get it. So I will put that link. But back to the pants. I should put a picture beside me of what they look like. One thing that I really liked about these pants is that they are heavy. The material is heavy. It's nothing flimsy. It doesn't feel like a cheap material. So I know I'm gonna get some good wears out of this, and it's gonna last me a really long time. Now, my favorite part of these pants is the variety it's gonna give me when it's time to put all the pieces together and wear this outside. While I was here, I tried on some black pieces, so like a black hoodie, black jacket, black sneakers, and I didn't like how it looked all together. I felt like the black kind of dulled it. And with this being the statement piece, I want it to stick out. I want to turn heads. So I think I'm gonna go with more lighter colors. I'm gonna wear like grays, whites on sneakers and tops and see how that goes. Now, when I put the final look together, I'll definitely post something on Instagram and TikTok. And if you guys have any ideas, please leave comments on any of those, or YouTube. I love feedback, or I love to hear your ideas on how you would style these pants. And so, yeah, I'm definitely gonna go with lighter colors. That's for me. I told you guys the sizing was great. I told you it's a baggy fit. Yeah, so that kind of covered the pants, keeping it short and simple for you guys. Dope pair of pants. I'll make sure I leave the link below so you guys can cop yourself a pair. I know they had different styles as well too, so you don't have to grab this one. They had a couple of different styles of patchwork. I'll see if I can post it somewhere around me to show you guys the other options if they're still available. But yeah, dope pair of pants. I'm excited to get these on. I'm excited to show you guys what they look like. Well, I was struggling to get through that pants with you guys. I was over here stuttering. I kept fumbling. I was not, boy, I don't know what was going on there, but that's not gonna happen this time around. This next thing I want to show you guys is pretty cool. It's simple. It's something we all shop for. Men, women, kids. We all shop for this thing, but I still think it's pretty cool to just talk to you guys about fashion and talk to you about pickups and stuff like that. So this next pickup is going to come from Urban Outfitters. If you're not familiar with Urban Outfitters, I mean, I doubt it, but better to be safe than sorry. If you're not familiar with Urban Outfitters, I'll definitely put a link below where you can go on the website. They have a bulk load of different type of brands that you can choose from for pieces that fit best for your closet. Some of them can be statement pieces, some of them can be standard pieces just for like layering. They have great accessories for men and women, and their tee game is pretty top notch. I feel like their graphic tees are on another level. So shout out to Urban Outfitters. But what I want to show you guys is not a t-shirt. I did that not so I can stop myself from stuttering. But no, this is a hoodie from BDG. It is a cropped hoodie. As you can tell, look, taking it out the bag now for the first time. Still got the tags and everything. This is a pickup. But this is a cropped hoodie from BDG. It's a graphic hoodie, as you can tell. Super cropped. Like, this thing is like just taking out off rip before I've even tried it on. Like, I lifted it up and already, like, usually my hoodies, like if I lift it up like that, like usually I still got more to go where I got to keep going up. But with this, look, bow. Yeah, so immediately taking a look at it, I really, let me move this out the way. Get the tags and everything out the way. Hold on. I wasn't ready to do it this way. Okay, so there are a few reasons why I wanted to pick up this hoodie. The first reason being the brown and gray. I don't have a lot of brown in my closet, so I thought this would be a great pickup. And then I immediately thought of a couple of shoes that would go well with this, so I had to get it. And then the other part to this was the top of the hoodie. There's buttons on here, which isn't common with hoodies. Usually, you know, you got your zipper or your pullover, but this is like a quarter button up. So I like that a lot. That made it a little bit different. That gave me some ideas of what I can do if I open up the hoodie. So that was super dope. And then the other part was the cropped. Like, crop is the wave right now. I have a few cropped hoodies, and I've been able to crop, not properly, but I've been able to style it the way that I like. And so I was like, I'm gonna go for this one. What I'm gonna do right now though is I'm gonna go ahead and try the hoodie on so that way I can give you the proper review. If I didn't give you the brand name, it is BDG. It is a cropped hoodie. I will put the link below. And first thing I want to let you guys know, if you're looking right beside me, it's super cropped. Yo, like if I wanted to have my belly out, this is the hoodie I would wear. For anybody, if you're interested in this hoodie, I would definitely suggest, if you do not like cropped, this is not the hoodie for you. Even if you go up a size or two, it will still be cropped. I just want to let you guys know. But the positive part is the arm length. The arm length still fits like the size you would wear on a regular hoodie. So I did appreciate that a lot. Like, it's cropped, but it fits the arms. Now, if it was all small together, yeah, we'd have a problem. But I really like this a lot. Immediately, this gives me almost close to a 70s vibe. That's how I would mix it. I would put on my flare jeans, this hoodie. I would put on some boots. If you had like some cowboy boots or some brown Chelsea boots, and then I would put on some fire shades with it. And that would, to me, that would go crazy. Or even put on the Scully with it. The Scully with the shades and everything. That would give you the Marvin Gaye vibe. Like, I like that right now. That's kind of my vibe right now. Especially with the beard growing. With the beard. But yes, the hoodie actually fit. It actually feels good. I'm liking the material on it. I'm a little curious to how this does though in a wash. I feel like there's a lot of cotton in here, so I'm thinking it might shrink, and that might not make me too happy, especially if it's already cropped. It can't get any smaller. I don't need it any smaller. But other than that, I like the hoodie. It looks good, has a good feel, has a good fit for the crop look, and yeah, that's my second piece. Okay, everyone, so there you have it. Very nice and simple today. Just two pieces I wanted to show you that I just picked up were the pants from Minimal and the hoodie from Urban Outfitters. That's it. I like to keep it nice and simple for you guys. Like I said, I don't want to overstimulate you. I don't want to give you too much because we got more episodes. We got more vlogging to do. So there's going to be plenty of opportunities to see other and better amazing pieces. So just want to remind you guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram at doseofdex_ for all your latest fashion news. Follow me on TikTok. And most importantly, following me on... Let's try it again.
No, not again. I've got to end this.
And then most importantly, YouTube. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting the like button. Hit the notifications so that you're updated on all the new drops for Newly Vlogs. And then most importantly, sharing with anyone who has a love for fashion. Yo, thank you guys for this episode. Thanks for dealing with me with all the fumbles today. Yo, you guys were patient. I appreciate it. That's why you are you. But I gotta get out of here. Get ready for the next vlog. You know what I like to say. I'll catch you on the next one.